Hey guys, Ulrich here. Today we're going to do a quick product review on the Hercules GS525B 5-piece guitar rack. I love that thing. I purchased it a while back ago because I needed to think about a solution that saves me some space. And you can't see that right now, but I'm in a very small room, and there are about 10 guitars in here, all my recording equipment, my amps, and tons of stuff. There's a keyboard over there. I needed something economical that would allow me to save a lot of space and put as many guitars as possible in one single spot, and that's exactly what this multi-piece guitar stand does. So for the review to make most sense is I will move out of the picture, bring that thing in and show you how it works, what you can do with it, how it looks like, the features and so forth. And then I'll come back and then I'll answer some of the questions that are typically being asked with regard to that guitar stand. So here it is. This is the Hercules guitar stand, and I removed all my guitars. It's about, as I mentioned before, 40 inches wide, 28 inches high. It comes assembled, so you don't have to put the thing together as it gets shipped. It weighs about 13 pounds, and the way it comes in the box, it is collapsible. So all you would have to do is move this part up here, and then you see, and you can adjust the position of the yokes. So this is how you would, for example, put it in your car, bring it to the gig, set it up on stage. I used it as a stationary device because I, as I mentioned before, need it here in order to save space in my small room. It comes with 5 of these yokes. They also, each one has 4 little slots where you can put your guitar picks in like that. It's pretty neat, so you always have your guitar picks handy. And the position of each yoke is adjustable. So you can move that over to the left, over to the right, by just wiggling a little bit. The same is true for these, for the foam rings here. You can move them into any position you like. Okay, so I purchased the product on Amazon. I know it got 5 stars, which is pretty amazing. A lot of people bought the product, and a lot of people bought this guitar stand, and they're very happy. So am I. I want to answer some of the frequently asked questions that I got off of Amazon. I think they're highly relevant and they might be of interest to you. Will it hold guitars that are in a case? So yes, as a matter of fact, I know it would, but you would have to change the position of the yoke, and then you can just essentially lean the case or put the case on the stand, and that does work. I don't know if it makes a lot of sense to do that, but yeah, it would work. The next question is it a foldable gig rack or more of a stationary rack? I think it's both. As you can, I showed you before, you can fold it together, and then for transportation purposes, it's very easy. It's relatively light with 13 pounds, so you can use it for both purposes. In my particular case, I need a space-saving option, and therefore it's a stationary solution here for me, but obviously you can also bring it to your gigs and concerts. How far does this rack hold your guitars off the floor? It's a good question, and it's about, I want to say, 4 to 5 inches. Is this stand compatible with V-shaped guitars? And now, I don't have a V-shaped guitar, and the person who gave the answer here to that question on Amazon says he doesn't believe that it would make a lot of sense to put a V-shaped guitar on the stand. As a matter of fact, I don't think that would work. I can't see why. I can't see how. So as far as V-shaped guitars are concerned, I actually don't think that would work. Will it hold 5 acoustic guitars? Yes, absolutely. I can answer that question. I have 4, I think I have 4 or 5 acoustic guitars, and they easily fit together on that stand, so not a problem at all. One of the images next to the product description clearly shows yokes for 10 electric guitars. Does the rack come with the number of yokes needed for 10 instruments, or do they need to be purchased separately? I told you before it comes with 5 yokes, but if you want to fit more instruments, especially electric guitars, which you can do on the rack, you would have to buy the yokes separately. You would have to buy the additional yokes separately. I believe they come in packs of 5. I could be wrong. You would have to check that out for yourself. How portable is it? Can it fold up for easy transport? Yes, I believe we answered that question already. You just slide the part where the guitars sit on up, and then it's collapsible, for the lack of the better term, easy for transportation purposes. So to wrap up, I love the product. It saves me a lot of space. It was about $60 or $70. Now that's not cheap, but I think well worth the investment. It fits up to 10 guitars. So it's one of the things you buy and you're just happy to have it. Again, this is the Hercules GS525B 5-piece guitar rack. If you have any questions, leave a comment below the video. I hope I can answer them. I hope you found this review helpful. As usual, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. If you can, support my project Guitar Ingenuity so I can buy more products and do more reviews before you have to buy them. There's a link somewhere up here that shows you click on it and it shows you how to become a Patreon. $1 a month will make a world of difference to me. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.